The topic of today's video is how to download COD Warzone on computer for free. And do consider checking out the links in the description of this video. We've got tons of useful resources just for you. So here we are on Steam, and Call of Duty Warzone is completely free to play. There are some microtransactions, but other than that. So all you need to do is hop onto Steam and click on search and type in a Warzone and it should pop up here. Now I will warn you, this game is massive in size, 125 gigs, and then there should be another 30 to 40 gig file after that. So all you need to do is click on play game over here, and that'll ask you which drive do you want to install the game onto. As you can see, I don't even have enough space for on any of my drives, but you can just click on install. And once that's done, you'll have again that extra 30 gigs to install, and then you are good to go and you can play Warzone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the links at the bottom of this video for all our useful resources, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.